Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to activate EastWest credit card online. To activate it, first of all you have to just visit this website. On the top right you will see this option of online banking. Just go there and log in into your account. So here I have Easy Way Online, or there's several ways to log in into it, and if you're using a personal or corporate account there's a separate option for it. And once you're here, then you have to just go to, for example, if it's personal, then just go to your credit card section here, right? And if you don't find it, it's really easy. You can just go to Google and search for EastWest credit card and just go and click on this first link. Now here, just go and click on apply now. Right now, once you're here, navigate to the credit section. As I told you, locate the activation option. Right now here, once you have, just go and click on started. By the way, I'm pretty sure that you have already applied for it. Now here you have to locate the activation process. Look for an option to activate your credit card, such as activate card or card activation. This may be under your credit card account details or in a separate section. And by the way, this can only be possible if you are logged in into your account, right? And once you logged in into your account, you have to follow the prompts to activate it. You will just get a screen instruction. You may need to provide additional information such as your card number, expiration date and security code, and just activate it. Once you complete the activation process, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your credit card has been successfully activated. This is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.